Hi guys, I'm now in France. This very nice small town called Aix-en-Provence. I just love France, you know. It's so beautiful. The weather, the people, the atmosphere here is so beautiful. It's one of the best places in Europe. It's like a very gorgeous woman, you know, compared to when I was in Spain for the past 1 month. Very masculine. Here in France, it's really very soft, very nice. The people, everything about the streets, the food. Yeah, this is about France. Cheers.